Hi everyone, I'm Laurie. I'm about 37 weeks pregnant and this is my second pregnancy, and I've been coming to Active Mum since February this year. The original reason I chose to come to Active Mum, it had just opened in the area, we had just moved into the area, and I was looking for a way to keep fit, and I was really looking to plan pre-pregnancy fitness as well, which ultimately got me fitter than I ever was with my first pregnancy. So yeah, really thankful for that. I think starting in a good position is absolutely priceless for going into a pregnancy. Then COVID hit. I was in my first trimester. Energy levels were pretty low as usual, but having this anchor here of Active Mum with online sessions and contact with Julie constantly helped me really to keep my diet up, my energy levels up, and keep moving as much as I possibly could. Then through my second and third trimester, it's really kept me strong and kept my body from all the usual aches and pains. Obviously there's always a certain amount of fatigue and ache that comes with pregnancy, which is a given, but it's really kept everything at bay, and I've had no injuries and I've been really, really strong this whole time. So looking forward now to kind of the birth and having a baby and continuing on keeping strong, and I think I'm in a really great position currently to know that my body's ready for having a baby, which is really great. So thanks to Active Mum.